Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Topbox's mystery box. You probably have seen a little bit of the videos that are out there. I apparently had to wait forever to get my box because Canada Post. With that being said, this is like a limited edition box from Topbox. It was $19. It has sold out. You can no longer get this box. If you are interested in purchasing a future box, the best thing to do is go to Topbox Collective and sign up for their emails, and they'll let you know when they have a box like this available to purchase. So this is actually the ultimate, I think, or the super mystery box. I can't exactly remember. It was, like I said, it was $19. Usually their mystery boxes are $12. So I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's in it. I have seen a couple variations, so I'm hoping that I get there's one variation that I really want and the other one that I'll be happy with. So, or maybe it'll be a new variation. That would be nice. So it says here, "Hey gorgeous, we hope you enjoyed this mystery box filled with some of our best hits of 2019. If you like this box, please feel free to email us at info@topbox.ca and send us your feedback. Thank you for your purchase, Topbox." Sasha, lay down. Sorry, my dog is in hunting mode right now. I think she sees a cat out. So, first item I see is Belief. I have 6 of these right now. They are nice. I don't mind them. I find that they're a little moisture heavy for me. And that big box for this little thing. So, actually this is the eye balm. This is Essential Eye Cream. So I might actually give that a try. I have a few eye creams that I need to get through first before I do that. But I'm not sure. I might actually even give that away for Christmas. So the next item I see is Nature's Pure Vegetable Soap with fresh goat's milk. So that's full size. I do like these, especially with the kids in the house. You can always use those. The next thing I see is Skin & Co. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Whipped Cleansing Cream from Skin & Co. Like, I have tried this, and I have to say this has got to be one of my favorite finds from Topbox. It is a really, really great cleansing balm or cream. It's really whipped. It's really light. It leaves my face very balanced. So I'm super excited to get that. I will probably be putting that in one of my gift baskets for Christmas because I think this is something that somebody should at least try. Like, I've already tried one, so I'm okay with giving it away. So the next thing I see my son will be happy about is Liquid to Powder Texturizing Finisher from Joko. I have gotten this. Sorry guys. I don't know why I do that. So I have gotten this before. I actually didn't even get a chance to use it. So maybe I will hide it and use it because my son likes to use all of my hairspray. And yes, my son. Oh, it has a nice scent to it, I think. So the next thing I see is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Pore Minimizer. It is just a small one. But this is great. I can either give that to my daughter or keep it for myself. It is such a small tube that I know I'll definitely use it up. I do like Smashbox. It is like a higher end product. So the next thing I see is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I have gotten this quite a few times. I actually was given the full size, which I started using. So again, another gift idea. And then I see Glow for a Cause Lip Love Natural. I have a friend that has been looking for some lip balm, so I will probably give this to her. I have used this. I do like it. I believe mine is actually somewhere around here, but I have a lot of lip balms. So another item I got, looks like it's a full size. So I mean there's at least one full size item in here. It did say that it was a deluxe sample. So can't get it out. This is why I open everything up before. So I think I actually have this color already. This is Rose Bay. I believe I do. As you can tell, I don't have my nails done right now. I'm going to try to work on that tonight or tomorrow. This is a beautiful color. Again, this will be gifted. I have a few people in my life that probably could use that nail color. So the last time I see is the Ipsy Cosmetic Silicone Makeup Blender. I have gotten this before. I'm not sure why this is in this box. I don't believe it was that big of a hit. I could be wrong. Again, I'll probably put this in my giveaway or whatnot. Oops. I just knocked this off my straw. So the last item, oops, I kind of want that up there, sorry guys. The last item actually is Huda Beauty, an inch of you. My last Huda Beauty was just too brown for me, so I ended up gifting it to a friend. I am hoping that this is not as brown, although it does look it. So I am going to actually, I think I have, oh no, that's not it. Sorry guys, I just want to, I didn't think it was actually going to get this one. So I have, where is it? It's, oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, of course it's not clean. Isn't that gorgeous? I've always wanted to try the Huda Beauty. A lipstick. So I apparently need to. Oh, this is a Luxy lip. Huh, I thought I had another one. I have another one in there. I just don't know where it is. I'm guessing that's. I've got to wash my brushes tonight. Oh my lord. Doesn't this be my fair one? Yeah. Okay, so I'm actually going to give this lipstick a try. Well, I just threw that on the floor. And I have a dog. So I guess I won't be selling that or giving it away if I don't like it, because I just tossed it on the floor. Well, that's very disappointing. And that is how I roll apparently around my house. I just throw expensive lipsticks on the floor. I can't believe I just did that. So for the next 10 minutes, I'm going to talk about what a klutz I am. So let's hope this color is more me, because it's not mine. So I might as well. Oh. So, apparently I have to get it everywhere and put on my lips. I don't know if you can see that or not. But that's actually a really nice color, and that, if I didn't, I kind of got it not where I wasn't supposed to. Anyway, that is actually a perfect color for my complexion. So I have to admit that's awesome, because that's what I was actually looking for. This was the box I was looking for. Interview is my kind of color. I will definitely be using that. This is valued at $33 at a Sephora. With that being said, this is a full-size item, so right here is the cost of the box, everything, or more than the cost of the box, so that's great. Out of all the items I got here, for $19, I have to admit, like, it's not a bad box. I don't know if it's my favorite box. There's a little bit of everything. There's, you know, primer, there's lipstick, there's soap, there's hairspray, there's eye stuff, there's face stuff, there's like a makeup blending tool. So, I mean, it's a really well-rounded box, I have to admit. So I'll be interesting to see what the new year brings for Topbox. Sometimes they're a hit, sometimes they're a miss, sometimes they're all over the place. So anyway, now that I threw my expensive lipstick on the floor, and I wonder if my floor is going to have the shade Interview on it. Anyway, I can't give you a link for it because unfortunately it is sold out. I can't even ask you guys to subscribe because it's not a subscription box. I do want to mention that tonight I am actually wearing the Tribe Glam Light palette that I just got. I have to say I really, really like it. It is the perfect shades of pink for me. I was able to play around with it really easy. I mean, I did my makeup so quick tonight. Wasn't going to because I have 4 a.m. mornings this week, so I'm more interested in just crawling into bed at this point of the night. I did try the makeup Geek highlighter. I really, really like it. I'm trying to use that Natasha Denona palette, blush palette, and I'm having a hard time with it right now. As well as I used the Vasanti lip balm before, and the Becca one that as a topper. I'm really, really, really thrilled with the Tribe box. I think that for the month of December right now, as it stands, it is in the lead for the best box of this month. As well, I believe I had a few other things that I had tried over this week just to let you know how it worked, how I liked it. The last video I talked about the pup mask, which I just absolutely loved. Now I can't remember anything else that I may or may not have used. I did try the Christopher Robin sea salt scalp moisturizer scrub. I had just dyed my hair and it worked wonders to get all the dye off my scalp. It left my hair feeling so nice. And then I was able to try use the R & Co Shine Dive, I believe it's called, and I was blow drying my hair, and I'm like so in love with it. I didn't put a conditioner in my hair, and I mean my hair looks very healthy. It looks strong. It looks shiny, and it's dark again instead of that faded brown that it was going. So these subscription boxes are such a tool to learn and to get new products and try new products. I am constantly trying all this new stuff and seeing what I like and flipping things around and trying different things. So I also tried the brushes I got in Tribe, and I have to say that they are one of the best brushes I have. But mind you, I have the same set from Farrah that I do love. I find that these are really, really nicely made. So I'm wondering if they're not the same company and just put, you know, their own name on it. I don't know. I honestly don't even really care. I just really, really like them. I think this weekend I am going to take all my brushes and clean them if I'm not working this weekend. With that being said, I believe BoxyCharm is coming. Look Fantastic is coming. Ipsy hasn't shipped yet. Of course, you know, we don't know what's going on with Ipsy. Topbox has also shipped, so I'm excited to show you that. Again, if you guys are watching this, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great night.